In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your payment method in your Lazada account. Well, first, I want you to log in inside their application, and there it will redirect you into your home interface. Here you have to focus on the navigation bar that you can see in the bottom part of the screen, and I want you to click the cards icon on the bottom right corner, and then after clicking this, you will see all the available products that you have placed inside your cart. Now, how we can access the payment method here. First, click the checkout and then scroll a little until you see the select a payment method. As you can see, I am currently using a electric money for the process of my payment. And how you can change it? You can click the view all methods, and here you have different options. You can pay using your credit card or debit card, your My account, or you can even try the cash on delivery. Well, just select them and then click the confirm selection. And now if is ready, or if everything is ready, you just click the place order and that's it. You have now changed your payment method in Lazada. And that's how you can change your payment method in Lazada, and thank you for listening.